Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna dive right into this tutorial without beating around the bush. Okay, so here are the products that I'll be using for this style. First, I have my Brazilian wool, obviously. Next, I have shine and jam. Then I have this leave-in conditioner, which I'll be using to moisturize our hair before I start sectioning. And of course, I have my combs and this one too. So I'm just gonna go ahead to start patting out the lines. For that, I'll pat out a straight line or a curved line, whichever one you prefer it being curved, all the way to the back, just like I'm doing now. And I will, slick out the line with shine and jam, obviously, and go in again with my sectioning comb to clean out the line. Yeah. And this is what we have. So again, I will start sectioning in between the curved line or straight line that I parted, just like this, just more cube line or rectangle, whichever one. And I'll pick up 2 strands of the Brazilian wool and start trading. Yeah, you heard me right, just 2 strands. Okay, I'll just trade for a bit, not long. Like, this hairstyle is very easy, you guys have no idea, and just this length is enough. So I'll pat out another line and pick up another 2 strands of the Brazilian wool, thread for like 2-3 times, or let's just say twist around the roots for like 2-3 times, and then I will add the first one I traded to it and trade together. You see how easy this is, right? Yeah. So I'll just go ahead to trade together, not all the way to the length of the hair, just a reasonable length where I feel like when I add to the next one, it won't give a hunch, like it won't have a hunch or a hip. I don't know if you guys get me. I'll go ahead to cut out some of the excess of the trading that I have and just leave the one that I traded with. I don't know if you guys get me. And I will do the same, repeat the same for this third one, just the same that I did for the previous one. On this third one, trade together, and by the time I get to my desired length, I will tie it out and cut out the excess from the previous trading, not the one I just finished trading with like now. I don't know if you all get me. So this is the last one on this rule. Same, thread, add the previous one, yeah, add to it, straight together, and that is pretty much it for this line. But please don't go nowhere, because that's not all there is to this style. We still have some twists here and there, so just stick around so you get to find out. And guys, when you are making this style, please ensure not to apply tension, please. Next, I'll pat out a straight or a curved line here, just a tiny one, nothing close to the first line I parted at all, like nothing close. This is just like a very tiny line, okay? And I'll just use my clip to hold her hair down so it doesn't interfere in what I am doing, and I'll go ahead to start cornrowing. Just in case you are not so good with cornrow, I have a detailed tutorial of how to cornrow, a step-by-step tutorial of cornrowing for beginners. Just check the video before this. I'll also leave it in the description box and up at the card. Yeah, check it out so you can learn how to cornrow, and I promise you're gonna learn something from that video. So like I was saying before I started explaining this, please ensure not to apply tension to this hair. I mean, we already have this whole belief or this whole misconception that trading hairstyle is like a very painful and very tension hairstyle. Not like I am saying that's not true. Of course it's true, but there is always a way around this whole thing. So avoid tension, hold the hair lightly. Do not hold it like all the way from the root, like as if you're pulling the person's skull, you want to pull the skull out. Please don't do that, okay? So I have already done, I think I did 2 on that side, and I moved on to this side, or 3, I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, I move on to this side. I've already done the first one. I mean, you guys saw me doing the first one on the other side, so they are technically the same, which is why I didn't show it here. So for the second one, I am still doing the same pattern of trading that I did, that I showed you all earlier. But hold on for the last one in this row before you skip. Just hold on, because I'm gonna do something different from what I have showed or explained on the last one in this row. So this is the last one, which I'm combing out now, obviously, to slick out the hair, or rather, yeah, to smoothen out the hair. So I will just start trading, or in form of wanting to start trading. Then I'll go ahead to add the ends of the cornrow. Yeah, the ends of that cornrow there before I'll add the ends of the trading. So I just added 2 ends to this particular last one, the ends of the cornrow and the usual trading that I have been doing, you know, and I'll go ahead to thread out everything and tie it out at the end. You guys get me, right? So for this next one, I'm gonna section out a pattern, a tiny pattern for the cornrow. You know, what I'm doing here is after one trading line, after trading on one line, I will cornrow on the next line, or on the next tiny line, or I'm cornrowing in between 2 trading. I don't know, but you guys shall get what I'm saying. So a quick reminder before I continue with my explanation: if you've watched this video to this point, it obviously means you are enjoying what you're watching. So why not give the video a thumbs up now? Like, please. Okay, please thumbs up to this video as you are enjoying it. Do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. In case you haven't, just kindly subscribe as well. So this is the last row in this hair. We're almost done. The last row, which leave us with 5 trading and 4 cornrows. Yeah, 5 trading and 4 cornrows. So I'm just gonna do the usual what I've been doing since, the trading that I've been doing since. So keep on watching. I'll just play music in the background while you guys, you know, see for yourself how I'm gonna do this last row.
Me wind and rain.
share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.